Forex Video Script, Part 7, Imbalance, FVGs and Institutional Candles, How Smart Money Fills the Gaps, 2025. Intro 0.25. Welcome back, traders. This is Part 7 of our Forex Strategy series, and today we enter one of the most powerful concepts in smart money trading. Imbalance Fair Value Gaps, FVGs. Institutional Candles. These are the invisible levels that banks use to balance price, trap retail traders, and create high-probability entry zones. If you've ever seen the market shoot up, then come back sharply. This video will finally explain why. Let's begin. Section 1. What is imbalance? Imbalance happens when price moves too fast in one direction without enough pullbacks. This creates an unbalanced zone on the chart. Price leaves behind. No wick on one side. A large, inefficient move. Little or no trading volume inside that area. Institutions often come back to fill these imbalance zones because the market prefers balance. Simple definition: imbalance. Yurtals, a price area. The market skipped too quickly. Price usually comes back to it. Section 2. What is a fair value gap? FVG. A fair value gap is an imbalance between three candles: bullish FVG, uptrend, candle 1, red to green, candle 2, strong bullish candle, candle 3, red to green. If candle 3 does not overlap candle 1's wick, the space between them is the FVG. This gap acts like a magnet, a retracement zone, an institutional entry area. Bearish FVG, downtrend, same concept but opposite direction. Simple explanation: FVG. A gap in price where the market did not trade fairly. Institutions love entering trades there. Section 3. Institutional Candles, the last opposite candle. Before a big move, institutions leave a signature. The last bearish candle before a big bullish move. The last bullish candle before a big bearish move. These are called institutional candles, also known as order blocks. They represent where big banks place their orders, where the real move started. Zones where the market might return. Why they matter. Price often comes back to this candle to collect orders before continuing the trend. Section 4. How imbalance, FVG, and institutional candles work together. These three concepts create some of the best entry zones. Example: uptrend. 1. Trend line is up. 2. Price break structure. 3. A strong bullish move creates imbalance. 4. This move forms a fair value gap. 5. Price later retraces into the FVG. 6. Retracement taps. The institutional candle 7. Flat zone forms. 8. Breakout plus income. Arrow buy trade with high accuracy. Example: downtrend. Same steps, but in reverse direction. This is advanced institutional trading simplified. Section 5. How to trade FVGs using your strategy. Here is how Part 7 connects with your method. Buy setup. Trend line up, market creates FVG below price. Price retraces to FVG, institutional candle tapped, flat zone forms. Income arrow, buy enter, buy sell. Setup. Trend line down, FVG above price. Retraces up, institutional candle tapped, flat zone, income arrow. Sell enter, sell. This eliminates confusion and protects you from trading blindly. Section 6. The magnet effect of FVGs. Price tends to return to FVG zones because liquidity, order flow, market balance, institutional footprints. This is why FVGs are extremely powerful. When you combine them with structure, trend line, institutional candle, income arrow, you get one of the most accurate trading systems in the world. Section 7. Final advice. Remember, imbalance tells you where price wants to return. FVG tells you which area institutions care about. Institutional candle tells you where they will react. These three concepts, when combined with your strategy, give you a complete map of the market. Use them with discipline, and you'll see the difference in your accuracy and confidence. Call to action. End of video. If Part 7 helped you understand institutional trading concepts, like this video, subscribe to the channel, share it with other traders, and join channel membership for private SMC lessons, advanced FVG training, and live analysis. See you in Part 8, where we will explore displacement, break of structure, BOS, and continuation entries.